It is 7:47, and this is day 7.
Oh. What?
Today was busy. Today was a busy day. I'm finally working on this project. I decided that I'm still gonna make this a vlog because I'm gonna combine days anyway. So I've spent the last like hour just working on this chart so I can really get into the groove before I start filming, because for some reason filming is like more work than it seems. Like, even though you're setting up your camera, it's just more work than just like setting up your camera and working. Like, sometimes when you're figuring stuff out, you don't want to be filming, you just want to be like irritated in private. So I wanted to get a few sets done before I started filming. And I'm on row 3 now. I got the clarification I needed, which is why I'm able to continue. I was right. Every time I see something wrong, and for the past 3 projects, including this one, I have pointing out something wrong about the pattern. I've actually been right. So I know I'm not tripping. Like, maybe I am a advanced beginner. I think I'm slowly moving up to that tier because I'm getting good at this knitting thing. Like, yeah. Kind of eating. Anyway, I can kind of see the pattern working up like with the chart, and it's looking cool, even though it just looks like dots. Like, unless you see the chart, it just looks dumb. Anyway, so I'm going to, let's see, I have to do 21 rows. So let me get myself a goal. Give myself a goal. It's 9:50, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I was like 9:50.
Did I say that?
Yes.
It's 7:50. I don't know why I said 9.
I was like, oh my god.
And so let's say it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's a good time.
Because I have to wake up at 7 to work out, so I still need to make sure I get enough. So let's say 12, 8. That's 4 hours. Let's say
4 hours of sleep.
no, I'm staying up.
I'm like, girl, ooh. That math is awesome.
No, I'm saying I think I'm gonna try and get to row 6. I'm on 3.
So there you go.
And I think that's good because it does take me long to finish a row, because there are 11 sets in one row. So I have to do the chart itself 11 times in one row. So, and I'm slow, especially since I'm new to color working in a round. So I'm definitely slower than what, it's just slower. So let's try and see if I can get to row 6. Like, finish row 6, not just get to it. Finish row 6, and then yeah, let's see if I can do that. guys, funny story. It's 9:28 and I'm on the 6th row.
Time to make 12 your goal. Yeah.
Anyway, I thought it would literally take, I don't know what happened. I thought it would literally take me an hour per row, so I thought I would literally be able to get like 3 rows in to make it to 12. Yeah, no, I'm gonna finish this by 10. So I'm just gonna stay up. I'm not even gonna give myself a goal after that because I reached it, but I am just gonna continue and stay up with these demons and just vibe and watch a stream. So here's a cat though. Here's another cat. And then there's another cat. All right, time to zoom. Let me see if you guys can see this
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
project though. If you guys can.
Can't believe you're doing a Colorwork project without us. Like, what?
I know, it looks so cool. It's actually really easy. It's just my fingers have to get used to the continental and knitting. I mean,
Continental and knitting.
continental and English knitting at the same time. But it's definitely easier than dropping the yarn every single time you need to change colors. So yeah, look at me being an advanced beginner. This is awesome. Okay, I will
Talk later.
leave now.
Goodbye.
Bye 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 bye. Okay, I lied. I'm actually not going to continue. I hit my goal. That's all that matters. So I'm going to... I mean, I started at 7. And the fact that I got literally, what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, is that just 3 rows? 3, 4, 5, 6? Or is it 3, 4, 5, 6? I don't get it. Anyway.
3, 4, 5, 6. Right, because you're knitting on 3 as well.
Right, because I knitted on 3, I knitted on 4, I knitted on 5, and I knitted on 6.
It's the same thing with the months and weeks and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm over it.
Yeah, I knitted 3.
I knitted rounds 3,
4,
6,
5,
so you can
6.
count
That's
and
4
determine
rounds.
what that
Because you
means.
knitted 3.
Yeah.
And 4 and 5 and 6. That's 4 rounds.
Right, okay. I knitted 4 rounds and it's 7. And I did that in 2 hours. I started at 7 and I ended at 9.
Slowly.
Right. Like knitting Colorwork slowly. I knitted at 9:47. I didn't even make it to 10 because I guess it's that fast. But I'm getting into the rhythm of it, so that's really why. Anyway, so that's gonna be it. Tomorrow I'm starting, not, you know, like super early, like my regular, probably like 10 a.m., maybe 11, you know, I procrastinate a lot. Anyway, I will start earlier than 7 p.m. and I am 100% finishing this chart. There is no doubt about it. If I was able to get 4 rows, 4 rounds done in 2 hours, what can I get done if I start at 10? Let me say 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have to do 21 rows. So anyway, I was gonna do some math, but it would have been wrong anyway. I just know it. Anyway, I'm starting early tomorrow. I'm gonna 100% finish the chart, and I'll finally like see progress in this sweater. I just feel like I haven't been seeing progress, and I've just been moving like molasses, and I don't know, but I guess like day 7, like I feel like I should have been on a sleeve on day 7, but I'm so used to my challenge projects that I can't compare it to when I'm chilling.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Chilling knitting is, wait, it really gonna take me like 3 weeks.
Yeah, to finish. I mean, when we were chilling, we finished that Amy sweater, super easy stockinette sweater in 12 days, and that's long for us. Like how do we finish the Salty Days quicker than the Amy sweater? That's weird. Anyway, Why is it? Anyway. So yes, like I said, tomorrow I'm zooming. This is what the project is looking like. And I can't wait to see the color work. Oh, let me show you guys my floats in the back of my sweater.
Why are you still talking?
Kalila, please. Kalila wants to yap our ears off. That's why she's getting angry.
I'm done.
Liar. Anyway, this is what the back looks like. The inside, not the back. Looking nice, looking nice. It's so easy knitting in a round. I mean, okay. It's so easy doing color work in a round. Like, oh my gosh, it's so nice. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we're gonna finish this. Bye. We're not gonna finish the sweater. We're gonna finish the color work part. Just clarifying. Okay, bye.